What up, guys? Welcome to another
Today
video.
playing
Today we're here with
you
the
can
full
play
lobby this time.
on the store.
Playing
You
with
can
some
download
kids.
it.
Today we're gonna be searching the whole line.
Yeah, we're gonna be going to
And of course,
mines.
this is old cave.
Yes, that was your
not
spider.
new, as you can see. But today we're inside Gorilla Tech.
This is old caves.
But,
You can see. But it's scary.
I will send what the game's called inside my Discord. So just wait for a couple of months and I'll send it in. Okay, so let's get to the video. So guys, you ready?
I'm scared of
Ashton, get up here. And we're also here with my best friend, Ashton. Okay guys, be careful. Don't die on me, guys. We're also
Guys, let's
here
go
with
to
my best friend.
mines.
So let's go to mines, everybody.
Then why are we getting on the ship?
Ashton, run! Ashton, run! And hey guys, I'm gonna sing you. Hey guys, I'll sing you a song real quick. You guys ready?
Bro, no. Let's just go to mines.
Purple, purple. Okay, let's go, guys. You ready? Purple. Let's go. Purple. I'll follow you the whole way. If I get jump scared. Purple. Yeah. Purple. Can I add you? Can you add me? Let me ask my friend real quick.
Guys, I just want to go to mines, but since this is a scary game, I don't want to go by myself.
Hey, bro, I'll allow you to add me at the end of the video, because I do not want random people, like, literally, all my subscribers.
Hey, bro, I want to add you too, right? Don't worry.
Add me.
Can I add you too?
Yeah, you guys will all be able to add me after the video's over.
I'm just kidding.
So,
let's go to mines, guys.
Let's start. Get ready. Okay, guys.
Guys, come on, let's go to mines.
Let's go. Okay, I'm ready. Another day.
I'm not jumping down first. I do not care. I'm not jumping down first.
Sleeping. Get away! Oh God! Run, my friend. Oh my goodness gracious!
Well, that's a fighter. Oh, that's a
My
big old
friend
fighter.
just died. Did you know it could come up here? He's
Oh, that's a fighter.
He almost I hate you. Come on, purple.
Hey, White, look behind you. Ooh. Hey, White, look behind you. Alex,
Purple.
I'm gonna push you off.
Be careful.
Ooh.
Be careful, purple.
Guys, please don't push me off. Please, don't push me off. I'm begging you. Please do not push me off.
Oh, yes.
Oh, God. I'm not scared of these little spiders. Guys, why would you push me off? No. Oh, God.
Come here. Out of my house. Stop. He's close.
How in the world did that even happen?
Everybody run.
He likes you.
Hey, yeah.
Where's the other spider?
No.
Where's the baby spider?
Wait for me, though. Wait for me. Wait for me. I'm still alive.
He glitched out of the map, and he
And
almost
we're
got
now-
my friend here.
And now we're
He's outside of the map. I'm here.
He
should.
Guys, let's go back
my
and go
God.
to mines. Come on, guys. We can still gotta go to mines.
That made my soul leave my body.
Guys, this.
Bro, I have a regular phobia. My phobia is to the max right now.
Okay, guys, we gotta run. We gotta run.
Everyone go to mines. Come
Bro,
on,
did
the
you
mines is
know
up over here.
everybody?
Everyone run to it.
Did you just?
No.
Did you
No,
just mute
that-
everybody?
No, that thing is to friend everybody. Like, you can friend people. From the garage.
Hello.
Help me!
Guys,
Help
we gotta run.
me! Come to daddy. Guys,
Hola, cacaca. Hippie.
Oh,
Oh,
Mason.
I'm just like. Are you still recording, Mason?
Guys, are we
Yeah.
gonna go to mines or not?
We are.
I really want to.
Then let's go, bro.
Okay, let's go. Am I not dead yet?
Come
Oh,
on.
I hear Stalker.
Everybody jump!
Guys, what does Stalker do? I hear him. Yes,
Everybody
what does he do?
He
climb.
eats you. Okay,
Bye.
everyone
For
run the
breakfast.
mines. Everyone run the mines, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. Everyone run the mines. Everyone go to mines. Bro, I don't think anyone is gonna go to mine. Mason? Mason? Mason?
Where's the YouTuber? Oh,
His Oculus died.
No, I was gonna add him.
Yeah, me too. You can add me. I'm a YouTuber. I'm recording. Say hello to the vlog. Say hi.
hi everybody.
Yeah. Oh my god, bro. What is that? Is he gonna ban me?
Imagine he starts.
Hey, bro.
singing
Be careful. He
Daisy.
might have gotten possessed by his stalker. So be careful.
Bro, he be saying Daisy.
No, he'd
Yeah,
be saying, hello!
Where's the other person though? Look, there's more people. There's like 3 people I think in here.
He died. He has to
Well, let's-
rejoin. Where you
Wanna
at?
try run? You wanna try and run?
You wanna go somewhere else? You couldn't add me. You wanna add me?
Yeah, yeah. Let's go to a safe place though.
Come on.
3, 2, 1, go. Run,
There's a spider right up underneath us, so run.
Just start running. Just start running. Just running. Oh God! I just heard the little creepy crawly.
Okay.
It says there's 3 people here.
It says 2.
Well, for me it said 3.
Okay, so are you on the screen to add me?
Yeah.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am. Okay,
Right, you're
what's
here.
your name?
Okay. A capital L.
Wait. Okay.
I. A.
A
M.
M
D.
Z
No, I said D.
O D D
A.
A
G.
G
O.
O
A.
A
T.
T
2.
2
0.
0
1.
1
3.
3.
That's it.
Is your
It's Liam
Profile
D.
picture
A.
like
Goat
2
2013. Huh?
is your profile picture like 2 guys over here?
Holding a staff? They're both
Yeah.
holding a staff? Yep. That's me.
Yeah.
Add me.
Okay. Oh yeah. You did.
By the way, I'm still recording, so these people will be able to add me. And they might be
Oh, dude.
on my show you. Is that okay with you?
As long as they don't keep calling me, it's fine.
Okay, so guys, there's his name. As you guys can see it. Pause the video. You guys can add this man right here. He's really chill. And then you guys can download this game. You can get it on the store. This is a video, and goodbye.